But then there's no regulable, literally. And don't tell me about Marshall Nation. Because Marshall Nation, I noticed never really big. Yeah, what? No, every time you go, I try to go and I'm being go over. One guy. Like literally, you should one guy. No, any man, the one guy. And guys, when you tell me girl, like literally, girl one, girl Ottawa, like literally, girl number one, like literally, like is the worst artist when it comes to management, which is really, really bad. This is the Henrik Makweba, but the I deserve now. And this is not true. As the better thoughts know when Makweba was it. Yo, what's good? You are good. It's your boy, and because South Africa, you know what it is. We are better than that. Bang. You, I don't know. Wait a minute. Like, literally, I don't know what's it. Because I feel like this is the third time I'm recording. And every time you should record, you see, video, I don't read as well. But video, first, and then the record episode you were the recorder is your WhatsApp, voice your scoop. That's a mood increases the volume and what. Yeah, that was one of the in a civil thing to the effects in Yavanga. Okay, cool sharp. The record episode you will be. The record episode you will be. This the version the time and the record episode sharp. How? The one to go to Nakai. You got no save. I got 10 to Ram. And into the Godon, you record ever. Mr. Recorder, is that over 1 minute in your receive? Like literally, what's going on? Like, and the problem is that you don't know. But I guess with the Magaza gig. So I don't know the ambitions as I record, and then I guess the rest person I'm going to edit and then I'll do other shit. So you know what it is, it's your boy BK Sunny Africa, you know what it is, we're bigger than that. Biggest episode number 12. So I don't know, we're currently I'm around how much? I have 530 something subscribers. My goal to before the month end of April, they don't know what should okay. Don't know should 800. I guess town go up in a space of 2 months. Don't know reach out. Don't reach out town 200 subscribers. So I guess the ones who they tell me. So this is where we push our ones to push our so So yeah, if you wanna follow me everywhere is Southern Africa. And there's Facebook page in Southern Africa that do post as current news and one. This is a normal with so near the young and follower in 17K followers, Twitter and the on Instagram the on of course YouTube the on. I guess when you start on the other guys try to on Twitch. But I guess the supposedly trace and so you know what it is. So there's been a lot that has been going on. But you know to Mangwamba Gacho, they should need to look at Shuko. Guys, let's just talk about Shuko. I don't understand why Shuko the way in a Bivangayo is here. The way in Shuko Bivangayo is just so sorry. Or I general to the Department of Correctional Service not to be corrected. But the answer is na Mutu and then the public figure and why but this to understand is against the rival. But here because you understand as well. Mara, choosing a question understand why every time Shuko, if there is a problem, actually I never resolve a money or an about. Why? I do take on these persons whose names also to Chimbatonia Shuko. Why every time Shuko, I still write in your address. About address and Monyago. Why? Like literally, why Shuko every time I try to never addresses about your addresses. Why? I couldn't do hamba like literally like for real like I thought by civil composition. Not for every time. Yo, don't anybody more talk posterity. I pray to this and this and this. Yo, I'll fucking come at you and get you and don't just myself. No. I was right now to the sugar because you don't want. Now tea I was right. Now tea didn't never was one guy. And it's not the first time. I don't know among us who complain as a page on your shoe on, but literally na any moon over an page I feed. No one. Zambangazuri. Why as you complain a page I feed? Why then no we have an page I feed? But for them expose. So artificers why sugar could be even in there. Don't surfaces. And the changing that essential if actually show like why no why what no TV every time you go actually go hamba na watu ambe ngowa utoshwana wana guy like literally u tshi wana gai nahone heneyo month u a wana gai kana u ḓo konesa u dia kana u ḓo vha boss lune u ḓo dia muṅwe na muṅwe lune ahuna muthu na muthihi ane a mushavha afha shangoni. Ngori every time a thi thu vhuya nda vhona if a khou aḓiresa zwithu zwine like zwi serious a vha a khou amba a songo kwaḓa a khou amba a si khou nyanga u dia vhathu ngo wana every time u dzula a khou nyanga u dia vhathu every time tshine a vha khou tshi amba yeah I'm gonna dia I'm gonna blah I'm gonna determine me and which is not right ngo wana. I guess if a tshi pfha nga ngari vhathu vha ḓo mu khakhela every time nḓila a tshi amba navho a vha a khou nyanga u amba ngo dia kha tshi ṱuwa tshi a dzhia lune u ḓo wana vhaṅwe vhathu vha thavha haningei dzhele rather than ra ḓa tshena riṋe dzi civilians hafha nnḓa dzine maybe na ri kona u vha ri dii ngwana ene a ṱuwa yo tshi hangei ati hune u ḓo kona u tshila na vhaṅwe vhathu vha thavha vhane na ḓo no khakhela na dia not uri hafha nnḓa na hafha nnḓa ri kha ḓi ḓo amba ngayo nda ri thu fhedza u amba ngayo ri kha ḓi ḓo amba ngayo tshikhala ri kha ḓi ḓo amba hashu tshikhala ende ri kha ḓi ḓo amba even though zwivhi ri ḓo ḓi amba ngayo na havha vhathu vha ri kha ḓi ḓo amba ngayo if vha ita zwivhi ri ḓo ḓi amba ngayo ende ri kha ḓi ḓo zwi criticize because of that's our job ndi zwine nda na ita riṋe ri criticize zwine vheiwe na vhane vho ri fha zwone ngowa because if arali zwithu zwine wa khou ri fha zwone ri nga si wane zwine ra ḓo amba ngazwo khavhelo if na hone khou tshila zwavhuḓi then ri ḓo amba na nga nḓila yavhuḓi mara if na hone khou tshilisa zwiṅwe ri ḓo ḓi amba nga ino nḓila ine ro amba ngayo but shuko when it comes to shuko everything tshine shuko a vha khou amba ngatsho tshi tea u vha tshi khou amba mini tshi khou thusa vhathu so nṋe ndi nga si ḓo zwi ṱanganedza shuko zwine a khou nyanga u zwi ita and ra si ḓo tenda uri a dzula khou nyanga u thusa ṅwana so if a tshi feel ungari u thafu kha ṱuwa ye dzhele a vhe wana vhathu vha thafu vhane vha ḓo dila naye not riṋe ngori ri kha ḓi ḓo amba ngayo ende ra dzi ri tshi amba ngayo ṅwana ya zwezwi ende zwithu zwine nda ndi muthu zwa nḓilesa nga maanḓa kha shuko ṅwana ende tshiṅwe tshithu guys ho itea mini kha Slender Girl guys like literally Slender Girl u amba uri Slender Girl o ṱuwa like literally Slender Girl o ṋambowa like literally a hu tshena muthu yo ṋambedzha literally because I saw Ogarama was a stethoscope I guess she was trying uri u zwi ḓo trenda but a zwi ngo trend literally zwi sokou vha zwithu zwezwo wo zwi vhona huṅwe zwi vhona mara literally ndi nga kuvhonele kwanga uri tshi tsho ita uri nthu upfhi Slender Girl a wine tshi tsho mu itisa uri a wine nṋe tshi nga nḓila ine nda vhona ngayo tshi tsho ita uri Slender Girl a wine it's because of album ye a i bvisa heiḽani last year it was not well marketed and o vho no vha established artist and if ni an established artist you have to bvisa dzi product dzanu dzine dza vha na dzi quality and ndi zwiṅwe zwithu zwi sa itee kha Slender Girl. Slender Girl dzi nyimbo dze a vha khou dzi bvisa last year especially kha heiḽa EP ya bvisa dzo vha dzi si na quality dzo vha dzi dzi mbaho dza dzi songo masterwa zwavhuḓi I feel like ndi zwiṅwe zwithu and a dovha bva songo nyanga u bvisa dzi remix dza Slender like literally o vha a khou balelwa ngo ḓo bvisa iṅwe hit iṅwe like literally ya khou tou bala because already o no vha na fan base yavhuḓi mara hit iṅwe ya kha ya hit iṅwe yawe kha yo mbalela no one if na ḓo tsheka hit iṅwe yo mbalela if na ḓo tsheka zwavhuḓi hit iṅwe yo mbalela and I don't know uri u tou vha vha nayo ngori tshiṅwe tshine na vha tshi khou ṱuwa and I guess the more a tshi khou namba tshi khou ita zwi so the more a tshi khou release dziṅwe dzi nyimbo the more vhathu vha khou namba vha khou ṱuwa khayo and ri nga si ri u wana bookings Kwamex because Kwamex I guess ndi fhethu hune vha tou mu support like literally ndi heiḽa tshelede ine ya mu support and ṅwana so ri vha dzi bookings dzo ri ṱhaṅwe vha khou ḓa huṅwe nga ḓi perform a zwi khou itea zwi a tshi zwi vhona dzi gigs hedziḽa dzo ri a dzi khou performa like literally every time a tshi ri vhona zwazwo ṅwana a ri khou zwi vhona na luthihi so I don't know uri ḓo itea mini khae ṅwana I don't know uri ḓo itea mini khae mara ri ḓo ḓivha zwi uri ḓo itea mini khae zwiṅwe zwithu zwine zwa vha zwi itea mara literally when it comes to Slender Girl I don't know uri ṱhaṅwe hu ḓo itea maybe tshi khou nyanga iṅwe hit and most of the time I don't think it's a hit ine a vha khou ṱoḓa muthu a blow up ṅwana mara ene muṋe I feel like o tou ḓi itela u sa nyaga u dovha a badela dzi producer a nyaga u recorder mahala over lindo ṱhaṅwe khou recordiwa mahala o ya recordiwa mahala but a nyaga dzi artist dzine but dzi producer dzine dza ḓo ntsha tshelede ane a badela a tshi badela item a dzhiwa a masterelwa zwithu zwavhuḓi zwine zwa vha na dzi quality so I guess ene muṋe wo sa ita hezwo zwithu maybe ṱhaṅwe hu na vhaṅwe vhathu vha khou mu ḓurela then a nyaga u tou ḓi itela ene muṋe ndi iṅwe zwine ṱhaṅwe zwo contributor kha uri ene muṋe awe ṅwana literally awe ende uri muthu a ri o wane vha vha vhone zwi konḓa nga maanḓa ndi nga sokou vhona vho makwai vho zwi ita vho wa vha dovha vha vuwa na feel u nga ri ṱhaṅwe na muṅwe muthu ane ḓo zwi ita I don't know why how come Makuya war or Mara you war one and the valuation it will be a man that much. I've been on a literally this year. I don't know those that better uprowendi kumakuya clean uprowendi kumakuya injisa uprowendi kumakuya but ita advertise za 1000 kana za 10 kana za 50 per week doesn't mean anything chine cha mention as advertise nene kuzicha niko bado chedi ya worth it na wendi kumakuya bako bado chedi ni I deserve na ndizungu zinoto rudibitsise zinoto as advertise zote zino wendi kumakuya kuzita bako bado zakhe ne I deserve na uri those one with you mangwa kuita za 10 pt mara naona gym na kuita ni 20 mara naona cheti combine ikupira ya ibond never quit mwana so I don't know ngukudu bako kwa cheti never quit deserve kana bakadiliwa na uri if la usia ya la cheti muntu if as something like that as something ndimwa uti na yo kushumisa wendima ya balenda bathu babona ngari yela uti tawo you improve wendima ngo usana improve iko bala koma but wotakala ya obaka isibisiru nguriye isibisiru osina zona kumita ande isibisiru suza kuzitaka because content oko mshumisa ndra ya budi kola chedi yambuzi kola chedi yanimi nazo tutashota mara bathu babona ngari hayi ukoliwe isibisiru ukoliwe ndima ngo and usina no live usuza sikuitwa uchikupusha content asizothi webenifinde ziyawe kulende kwakho and even you could say for real and makuri ave unewana about even though on ndimishume SABC ana umuntu sawa ndi makuri rather than SABC because SABC ndiye wa tom one ndi makuri ashuma naye then bamujia bachimisana KAS what wabonula aswamowisa and ndi makuri tulobati bounce back up one and the lobby ngamanda manje ngabe it as internet boy always it just now man then you know that so dama lokho for child in I deserve na but I guess tangu do wako dibalo tangu in I deserve man to wasa dibzo tangu kubelwa bunga man tangu maybe didn't know na for you over didn't know ya kwa deserve one maybe we don't know tangu mara tangu do dibalo for you child na deserve man so one do them kai and tangu mimi ngotoka tangu ngori at least ene munhu kuzodhitira even though tamuchede na uitukune aunori ava kuspitane munhu because of ene munhu kuzodhitira ini fuck ichino mimi litoni na ndingano chino mashito litoni and the first game why so ndivyo kwa time so wana skakis na sisi leo tumo zimbura msindi kwa mvula chiko so na kwa siku yana so litoni abende kuvana mitozi na anyways because mitozi guys, when is that? Metro CMG yeah, I say na is really worth it for any more I say. I feel like that deal is gonna flop anyway. This is not I guess Metro CMG is signing that deal because of the guy is trained. The guy is doing this because of I've been as so operator kauri mutu na chelete mutu and chone ako shibona medrone ako bona zore demand isn't like demand uko kono make uko kono no it's because of demand right now popular is trending come right now uko trend due to now kuita ngwana moves ina kuiji right now uko trend at demand come so if demand ako trend right now yes rather the focus akaye mara uba ko trend $dollars tana udoba no pushiwa na metro ni mno udo pushiwa na koriko diba bona watu wanjwa kutisana zili ba abanta then we sana abo uyu kola Chris Ben mo sana ngitil na lezi guy ashiko kaka mutindi mfundi mtu mutindi lauti yes uto sana la jili viti abo wa Chris Ben abo mama Chris Ben mo to sana la jili abo wa I don't want to do what I want to teach Chris Ben. Chaba ko chibise chaba. Even though I can divisa quality, I don't want to do what I want to do as divisa this as on trend. And then Chris Ben I've been on divisa trend. I have to check what divisa every single time. But achana fini busy ile fanaka uma fini busy la cheo and achana zvinhu zvikuiti even though I could push because of vana zvitu mara vana product mara vakubharwa marketing ndizvinhu zvine chikotobhara kaChris Bear una talent unazvo mara marketing kare ikobhara and lechikobhara so ukuti rubhadhiro mutu another mumaketa literally haapalani chedai video project man that's the problem with talent game is because they don't want money to go out they want money to come in only so I don't know what to tell you. I guess kama ane ngachimeche ene mune assign la deal Chris Bear oba kubona ngari it's really worth it but I feel like oba kuti otoditira mashinga ngori ostaina then up and I you know when they are regulable when there's no regulable literally and don't tell me about Marshall Nation because Marshall Nation I noticed never really big yatofa pasi literally yeah we go to big like literally from scratch and don't tell me about JLP yangu pata mwana Marshall Nation JLP msajisana ka Marshall Nation he was already an established artist Mizo research the artist founder Kongwana already over an established artist or something already reamdiva and or something happened as ndawo iri kumudhakuru uita ziti or something ritomudhiva because of the mutu ane umanejwa nga Waybucks and the Waybucks is close to Mizo that means or something will also be close to Mizo utokona wana zifeature zavode and utokona mtani wakoro jazz nepe bawote kwa don't know that or something very kumde like or something got talent it's because of close to whoever trying to render our follow that's why I think because if I guess now when you know then the nimbo or something analyze anti to the nimbo na tell on again nimbo na tell and it's not like you can't rap or something and that says walk on rap like or something it's a big rap walk on rap and rap in English and work on a new rap mara wo and I said blog if you why is a blog or something one story master vendor na regulable when it is not regulable for real for me vendor na regulable that's it it's not regulable na reke in established artist jakula rather than that na if you want it yes you must see street empire you only you push out longa for root kid and the last three mingi black or push on a street empire because mingi black autobana track here music sakini ene munene ukara kuti push and then that's the she's a one hit wonder but wo ukara push kuma ndora something mara ufuna ni ya mujesa ni game kuma so ndo ndo determine and I guess vamwe vatu vatogula zvimwe zvikapo twonga root kid one omiki black ndo vatu vanotobuda zvikapo avo vatu ndo vatu every time vachisa nyimbo vachipona nyimbo yekukanda vavisa music video zvine vandazvitiva zvozvo mwana ndingana nyimbo dzamini dzazikunyanya music video dzinazimwewana ndingana nyimbo dzamento dzine dzazikunyanya music video azimwewana and it's not like avo vatu vavasinachiedza music vato vasadilivika pamuti metro chenda mndu una music video mti wildlife yes dzimwe zitareka zina music video why dzimwe zitareka zina music video why ritokunonibonisa nika tv isina music video kungwa music video vekototeya blind mara havanchi music video chavo vavoto yes zvifreestyle zvezvi vakusokuita chakano zinava zarokidika minzi kayoutube uvananga 500k magala that's really good this is how zinara vakuzviona kuzviita rokidi let's really take yeah IVC orchestra goes Bamiki Black naye mwana wa Tete nanga chekele last time ndichicha yakani yewe kutenda number 22 on YouTube Music South Africa ndisima zvawo zvinotosa vendor kumwana zvisine vakuputa vendor on the map is because of ngoma na music video varikona bona chipatocha that's why naye nemunorokine even though those uimba suzviti uimba gaming what I say because of he always put chipato chavo karine uzoona content training than chipato chacho ziri kumuona every time ziri kumuona every time other than this zvimwe zvinova kuti abeni Favorite artist and established artists like Mizo, Nanda, Makaza to my music video. And then was Makazo Zango put out on Mizo. But key electric Bamburi, take a song of bonus to go one music video. A bit bonus of an music video. One, but I'm over all. Even na goes bana, unataka nje za goes that's kwenye music video. But as you shoot bashita zabo zvinebone vane vavoti. I don't know vatu like miombroni yavo vamurami. Saka zana zati the music video. Avachita music video. Zina zati the music video. Vavachita music video. Chikadzikadzi zavo zati the music video. Mara yoshutiwa. Oh man. Mashonjo for na music video. You know, I need man. Everyone anifesa why we shoot as well. Stress is good music I shoot. My sister started the shoot. Just imagine that Kyla fantastic for over na music video. Can I talk about better? I guess when you watch my video for free, that's the problem about Banang, especially when I get Tondo. Change what no sponsor, which Marava one is performance, one is bookings. Bookings is total was there. I actually never do by shoes of for shooting video. I was debating music video. Kumbwana. Kabala was it. Those of us that watched music video. Woman. Tell you what, even nothing in that chair. Another kind of music video. Often you underwood the ones who let the go to Triviaco trend design. Often the list over immediately. You have a music video. Same time. Man, I am going to visit a music video. You don't know why. But I don't understand why who's going to music video. Music video and equal to one. And you could always another artist like Dalicom. Even if you can share artists of your comp, most of them they don't have music video. Even if they have music video of them doesn't correspond with what they are saying on the song. Come on. Go check that song of who's that guy? Skibo and that has I wanna Diani, I'm gonna Diani, I'm gonna Diani, Diani. Yeah, like that. Go check the music video. Literally, our fun has not become as well. There's no direction, there's no story. I bet music video to work by there's no video come. So if you ever see that, what will we say about the track? Come on. So I don't know. And also those artists of your compo, most of them they don't have problem management. Just look at your shit. Like literally your shit doesn't even have a proper management. Like literally is the biggest artist of your compo, but literally still like is the worst artist when it comes to management, which is really bad. This is the utoba kuwana management wa both. Mara literally another management. Like as long as you can see even Nandri never put on YouTube. This week he changed the name of the page. Next week he changed the name of the page. That week he changed the name of the page. Like literally what the fuck is that? Why can't you just have a one name, one page, and then that's it? We don't just post anything. And also post it on shame. Yo, the first thing to give me 100k straight. Like, why is it short up there? James Munziatis, let's go up for my like you for free. Zoto Fajne or La Amazon or 100k. On, that's the problem. There's no mentality of knowing the business, the music business. Come on. There's no that they our mentality. Come on. Our total. Anyway, the story, where will they go? Come on. Let's look at all of them. You can reach man. She's big, or at least album that does not have quality. Album on first day, yeah, we saw her YouTube is she's a mainstream artist. Not when they don't go to YouTube. But literally, yet again, or at least Gimbo and Sisaka YouTube is after I think after a couple of days, then album you have because with digital platform. What the fuck is that? Like literally, what the fuck is that? Come on. So I don't know the data, but I guess we just have to wait and see. Every time we look at it, every time the more it is good, we just have to see who they did in cash. Come on. I don't think they know the business side of it. Come on. That's why the rich can thank it. Now most of them each one they didn't make as much as kwava kuti uri vaite ngayo chingandirai ngayo chelete bona havangova nechinhenjiye vaiita because of the way they are carrying themselves mungwana ndikandirine vakudifara ngayo there's no proper management zvitokonzera uri munhu uve nedzi-endorsement because of ava kuwana mini muthu ene akuvopena akovhurira hayo mavhuti mungwana zi-endorsement zvitokonza blind even zi-endorsement because of each the endorsement aisokota itomechi kana dzine iwe munhu wavo kuposta muthu usokoposta chimwe nachimwe dzibeef usokoposta online. It's the problem. Abeni ndangachena muthu ane amana pagini ya world marketing ndi Shandesh and ndiani muthu ane vathu vani she's the worst artist in the comp but she's the one who have proper management. Even Tribe is trying to have proper management but also he doesn't even have a Spotify account so him also doesn't know nothing so we just have to, does he even have a YouTube channel? I think he doesn't even have so we just have to stay with it. I mean though we're not 80, we're just speaking the truth the way it is. No, these guys are who wanna mindset of business was sharp and the car business is good. And if each quarter so if and the Babas would have so they're gonna fall literally. All of them. But the whole one. But the whole so we just have to say who they tell me. One. We just have to say. And I don't know. People like to have this feature. It's outside like you wanna recross. Just check this small man. Or at least that taking a recross. I don't know really what did he do. Like in a zeta. Like literally come like on a zeta when it comes to put him in the mainstream international stage. Woman. I really the like it's a good track, and I guess Bomba does take that bad. I saw a feature go down. Bomba take that bad man. I'm not going on his name, is going to improve when it comes to him. Just so over just go in a track and across the music video. But when it comes to making him international, there's a very as never review to have those type of features. One. Don't know about one but as soon as anyway to go international. Because it isn't helping no way to become international. So I'm not talking about who determine that team, but the time I do shume because of Christian man. I haven't seen anything. She needs to have go catch to be there. She needs to tell she do what show. You, I don't know how to stay in when beef has time and yellow village in highway. Fucking real, there's a beef there. And also, Machiavelli is also involved in those type of things. And it's really didn't go to boost maturity. Yes, yellow village in highway Bakura. Machiavelli is also involved in those type of things. Yes, we understand that. Mara if a corazon jump, that means yellow and sabuke. That means metro same jana sabuke. Because ila uchikodore Tuesday longo ila uti ndio ila uti kumba. Jambo ready metro unakitune as bobogi obi. Through the connection na kubana nabo batu. That's something come that didn't work because of what is happening. So guys will just have to stay with the journey. You know, not that word. So music video over this week. I just nearly release music. I don't know but when because I didn't really check who release music this week. But I guess time of course time is in the music. You file comment. So we have to check the music pure in over and the way who should because of it's yes if you always push me I don't know. Because of it's Friday and the first Saturday the day yes that is was drop. No. She did she's dropping an album next week. I'm talking about Nadia. I think she's dropping on the last month. I think she'll drop it next week. So I don't know it will on the 28th. I think she's let me check. I think she will. Yeah, she's going to drop it next week. And next week, I will drop album next week. I guess she's saying she's dedicating the album to AK. I feel like she just have to get over it. It's not like we want her to forget, but to move on, bro. Like it's been 3 years, so Okay, since he passed away, we also love it. We spend. So I guess you just have to move on, bro. Like, come on. Even here to heal, because you can't be crying for AK for the longest time. Like, can't you just move on? We understand that you are crying years and years. We understand that, Mara, can't you just move on? Like, not like move on. Like, not just every time, like, she's, or I understand the pain here. But the ones who get them, but I know it is what it is. Amaria. And I'm just hoping when I save this thing there, it's a little way I just hoping mostly she save it. It's a little way because of bro. No brand no record. And if not I don't record, she save because me and it as well. I'll be fucked up. That means I have to sit down again and record another one. But I guess I'll do it.